Hi, in this video I will demonstrate the use of the range test in SensorConnect. MicroStrain's wireless products transmit data through radio communications. One way to check the signal strength of the communications between the node and the base station is to use the range test tool in SensorConnect. To get to the tool, click on your node and click on the range test tile. To begin the test, click on the Start button. These two bars indicate the signal strength from the base station to the node on the top and from the node to the base station on the bottom bar. To the right, you'll see an analysis of the range test showing good pings, bad pings, and total number of pings. This tool can help with troubleshooting if you are experiencing issues communicating with your nodes or to help optimize the setup of your application. For more information, or if you have any questions, please reference the product user manual found on our website, or you can contact technical support by phone or email.